This resource video is for preference and reinforcer assessments. What are preference assessments? It's a tool that you can use to figure out what types of things your child likes and dislikes. So why do we use these assessments? Find out what motivates your child as potential reinforcer. 5 preference assessments methods. Starting with free operant down to multiple stimulus without replacement. Free operant. Observing the child in free access. So when to use it. You're just getting to know the child and nothing's taken away. The procedure. Set up with preferred items or where the child normally plays. You're observing how many times and how long the child plays with the items. You record your data and then rank the items. This is a sample form from the I Can Hope and Future website. This is around 3 minutes each for 5 to 6 observations. This is a quick video to show this method taking place. We're just observing and watching the engagement of the 5 items. Data is collected each time he engages with the item and for how long.
You can keep playing. You can keep playing whatever one you want.
Yeah. Hey, wait for me here. Ah.
After this trial, he engaged with the bat and the ball the most of all the other items. Single stimulus is just having one item at a time. Why to use it? When a child has difficulty selecting more than one item. Procedure. Set up with the one preferred item or activity. We observing how long the child engages in the item or activity. We're recording each item up to 60 seconds and 6 to 12 items. Here is a sample form from Think Psych. Paired stimulus, or sometimes called forced choice, presents only 2 items. When to use it? When a child can only choose from 2 items at a time. Procedures. Set up with 2 items on a table at the same distance to the child. Observe to see which item the child chooses out of the 2. Record. Follow the schedule to present the item. Then rank the items. This is a sample data sheet from the EBIP website. Here's a sample video. Make sure all items are hidden before displaying.
Okay.
Good donuts.
Alright. What about gummy worms and Skittles?
Can you tell what's wrong with this assessment? If you guess position of items, you're correct.
M&M's and Skittles.
The items should be exactly the same distance from the child.
What about a snowball and a Kit Kat?
Kit Kat.
A Kit Kat? Okay. What about a snowball and some gummy
Don't
worms?
forget to reward the child for participation. MSW. Replace the unchosen item. Put back chosen item. When to use it. A child can scan 2 or more items. Procedure. Setup. 3 to 12 items displayed on the table. Observe. The child chooses between the items. Have the items hidden before displaying. Record how many times each item selected was chosen, then rank the items. Here's a visual on the method. The key is the chosen items always up to play. Full data sheet from the EBIP website. MSWO. Chosen item taken, unchosen items rearranged. When to use it. Can choose between different types of preferred items. Procedure. Setup. Same setup as the MSW. Observe. Same as the MSW. Make sure items are hidden until ready to present. Record how many times each item selected was chosen and then rank the items. Another visual from the EBIP website. Make sure the chosen item is removed. Here's another form. So what are reinforcer assessments? This one is seeing how effective the reinforcers are in changing behaviors. So what are the differences? Preference measures the child's interest of items or the activities as potential reinforcers. Reinforcer measures using those items or activities as reinforcers. References. These websites have some great information and forms that you can use. The Cooper book, Applied Behavior Analyst, was also used in making of the video.